Consider that extreme poverty and wealth imbalance in our culture both seem to be at all-time highs and increasing. Could there be a simple solution? By examining the limitations of our current economic system where wealth becomes ever more concentrated, while the majority grapple with financial insecurity and poverty. This system, deeply rooted in traditional capitalism, often fails to distribute wealth equitably. It's not that there's a shortage of resources or wealth in the world, but rather, the way this wealth is distributed and leveraged that is at the core of the problem. This imbalance in wealth distribution often leads to social instability, economic stagnation, and cultural decline. What type of solutions are capable of addressing these issues and evolve capitalism? One concept put forward is designed to eliminate extreme poverty in a simple and straightforward way that redistributes wealth more equitably, but also fosters cultural enhancement and citizen empowerment. This system could, in theory, be implemented overnight, and realistically, in say 60 days, alleviate homelessness and starvation brought on by financial strain. Introducing the concept of creative currency octaves combined with basic income, which offers citizens basic unit income, to be spent only on essentials like housing, food, utilities, and transportation. The primary currency is still earned and spent just as it is today, however these new basic units are pegged to the primary currency at a 1-to-1 ratio. They can be added into personal accounts daily, weekly, monthly, or annually, depending on preference. ATMs will distribute them as receipt paper cash, complete with scan codes and expiration dates. Then, once expired, they either revert back to their source, the treasury, or get redeemed by members of what we call the Creator Collective. Joining this inclusive collective of willing participants enables members to save expired basic units, accept them as rewards, trade them within the collective, and convert expired basics for primary currency at an individualized and potentially elevated rate. Incentivizing participation is a key feature of the creative currency octaves and basic income concept. By encouraging innovation, artistic creation, and active participation for essential work, a culture thrives. Basic income recipients may join the Creator Collective with the intent to create and share something productive in a positive way. Fair and equitable rewards are earned meritocratically, and expired basic units can be traded in for primary currency at a personal multiplier rate. Elevated rates are determined by member participation, inventiveness, the supply and demand for what's created, the size and scope of each project, and other market forces. The amount of expired basics one may convert into primary currency per distribution cycle depends on the octave level, which is another way for members to advance and attain personal achievement. However, collective members may also form groups and organizations to conduct business and operate at elevated octaves. These incentives provide within-reach goals for personal growth, where ambitious citizens become empowered by contributing to an evolved free market system that are likely to develop vibrant cultures and thriving economies. Many ask, who decides what projects and member offerings get elevated? First off, similar to current systems, any person engaged in the economy can participate creatively with primary currency. However, if they're willing to join a collective, they then open up their work for review, and scrutiny of course comes with that. Administrative support professionals can operate the logistics of peer review and discourse in self-organizing, trial and improvement-based, fractal-type fashions where successful models are developed. Information gets freely shared via open feedback loops, and what's successful gets replicated and/or expanded upon. Academics would of course conduct research, experts could weigh in on what's ideal or optimal, and the market experience professionals would make decisions based upon many factors such as demand, cost-effectiveness, efficiency, environmental factors, and participation rates, ideally creating a dynamic and adaptable system. The keys to evolving a developed economy, which is of course a monumental task, would be continuous improvement, effective management of resources, and efficient expansion. If the basic unit cash and the primary currency are both sourced by the Treasury, then the UBI cash stays local, while the primary currency remains global. In the USA, the IRS's Personal Income Tax Department could become an obsolete bureau with this better way forward. If established with the mandate to enhance both the public and culture, to ensure human wellness via fair foundational guarantees, appropriate incentives for essential work, and equitable rewards for beneficial creation, then creative currency octaves and UBI can achieve these goals and much more with a fresh, fair, and steady supply of, and new demand for social harmonizing currency. This complementary money system is designed to eliminate homelessness and starvation due to financial strain and dramatically reduce crime, stress, strife, and extreme wealth imbalance, with potential to stabilize any primary currency, elevate economies, and perhaps even recession-proof a nation or culture. For additional details and other transformative ideas by author Duke Johnson, follow the link in description. bettertobest.wixsite.com/book